Here we'll learn to do subtraction problems. For example, 25 minus 12. You simply subtract the numbers that are lined up. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 13. If we have 253 minus 12, note that there are 3 digits in the top number, but only 2 digits in the bottom number. So the way that we want to line them up is always line them up on the right-hand side, so that the 3 and the 2 are lined up, and then correspondingly with the 1 and the 5. And then we do the same thing. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus nothing is 2. So it's 241. If we have a problem like 25 minus 18, here we have 5 minus 8, but 8 is larger than 5, so we, in theory, can't subtract that. So what we do is borrow from the number next to it. And what that means is we borrow 1 from the 2, so 2 minus 1 leaves us 1, and we give 1 to this number. And the way we think about that is just by making this a 15. So we give 1 to this number. So now we have 15 minus 8 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we just leave it as 7. Similarly, if we had 253 minus 19, again, we line them up so that the right-hand side are lined, the 3 and the 9, then the 5 and the 1. 3 minus 9, well, 9 is larger than 3, so we theoretically can't do that. So we borrow 1 from the 5. So 5 minus 1 is 4, so we're left with 4 here, and we're going to give that 1 to this number and write it as a 13. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3, because now we're only left with 4 after we borrowed 1. 2 minus nothing is 2, so it's 234. If we have 3,475 minus 289, remember we're lining them up on the right-hand side. 5 minus 9, 9 is bigger than 5, so we're going to borrow 1 from this 7, making that a 6 because we borrowed 1, and put it over here. So now we have 15 minus 9 is 6. Here we have 6 minus 8, but 8 is larger than 6, so we're going to have to borrow 1 from this number. So we're going to make this a 3 and make this a 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus nothing is 3. So the answer is 3,186.